think these organizations and these programs that they put on for women is super important to bring more women into the workforce.
I think that being an advocate for a program like this really does help and open up doors and opportunities. These young girls come from all walks of life, and I feel like if we just give them a little bit of push and knowledge and let them know what opportunities are out there for them, I think we're actually setting the path for something really good.
GRITT Camp is a very big eye-opener for many young people. GRITT was just the beginning of my path. It helped me see that there is another path other than college and secondary school.
Favorite activity was the first one we did where we made like the crates and put flowers in them.
I like also exploring other trade options, like when we did concrete. I enjoyed that because that's something kind of far from what I've been working towards.
Oh, that's a hard choice. I really liked the welding. This was a lot of fun. I enjoyed the flowers, the concrete. I can't pick a favorite.